Welcome, friends, to a cozy story time. Today, we'll meet a brave little lantern named Lumi, proof that even the smallest light can guide the way. Let's begin. Some nights feel bigger than others. In the little village of Willow Glen, the sky was deep and starry, and the lights were fading. On a high shelf, a tiny lantern named Lumi wished to shine. I'm small, thought Lumi, but maybe I can help. Lumi, if only I knew how to glow, brave. Fireflies, shine with us, Lumi. Lumi breathed in, breathed out, a gentle warmth bloomed. Elder Owl, little lantern, a steady glow begins with a steady heart. Breathe slow. Think kind. Share your light. Lumi listened, and listened to the quiet inside. Parent, the bridge is ahead, but the path is so dark. Lumi felt a flutter of fear, and then a flutter of courage. Lumi, I can try. And try is how every brave thing begins. Step by careful step, Lumi's glow showed the boards, the rails, the way forward. Kid, look. The lantern's leading us. Even brave paths wobble. Lumi wobbled too, and then steadied, shining a little brighter. Lumi, follow my light, little one. A small light can feel like a hug in the dark. Pip pads along with the family. Lumi noticed something: the more they helped, the warmer they shone. Light grows when it's shared. The wind whooshed and worries whispered, too small, too small. Lumi, I am small. I can still shine. Elder Owl, breathe, little lantern. Lumi breathed slow. The glow didn't blink, it blossomed. When one light is brave, other lights remember how. Soon, a path of glimmers braided through the night. Parent, thank you, little light. Lumi's glow felt like morning. Even the smallest light can lead the way. Be the little lantern, breathe, be kind, and share your glow. If you enjoyed Lumi's journey, keep shining with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more cozy stories.